Hot shops. Right, good afternoon, how's everyone doing today? Fences off Paul. I told you what I was coming up to do today. So a Mount Farm at Bourne Avenue, I think it says there. So yeah, I don't think it's open, but I don't want to see a door open there though, but I don't want to just stay. I just want to have a little wander around in there. They might say come back in a little while maybe, but you don't know till you have a look. So yeah, let's turn you around and talk to you in a minute. So yeah, Bourne Avenue on Mount Farm. The bus stops are there, one there. I can't remember what bus stops are now. Oh, yeah, right, anyway, let's go have a look. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Fences off Paul, see you coming up like. I don't want to go down there. Oh, we've got pool, darts, live sport. Yeah, they had the final in here yesterday with Tottenham and Man United. Man United lost 1-0 to Tottenham. So yeah, here we go. Let's take some pictures as well at the same time. So I think they're on Instagram, looks like. Yeah, they're on Facebook as well. You alright? So yeah, I don't know if it's open yet. Is this open yet?
It is open, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, here you go. It's freeze it for a minute. So yeah, looks like got a food menu there. Cheeseburger, $6.50. That's nice. So yeah, here we are. They've got loads of pool tables in here. Would have been busy in here yesterday, like I said. But like I said, Man United lost 1-0 to Tottenham. Got like dart board, got dart boards. You can have a go at darts as well. But yeah, I won't be in here long. It opens at 4 o'clock. I didn't want to come in here when there's people in here. People are funny being on camera, so you alright? Here's the bar area. When did it open up? Do you want to be on camera?
I'd rather not.
Okay, we go. So yeah, you got scarves up there, you got Man United. What lost yesterday? West Ham, Chelsea. My team. We're lifting the trophy Sunday. There's the bar area. Yeah. Yeah, so Bourne Avenue. You said you can have a game or have a go on that. Don't know, may do a break maybe, I don't know. So yeah, here we are. Come on, what it was called. Hot salts or whatever you call it. That'd be my thumbnail, I think, maybe. No smoking or vapour in here, can't smoke in here. Easy taxis. There you go. Let's go have a break. Sorry, it's freezing. Minute, talk to you a minute. So yeah, just said the dart. You say darts for £5?
Yeah.
So if you want to play darts, you can £5. We got it, the pool tables £8 an hour. So yeah, it's fully booked again today, guys. So yeah, only a quick little video. Just like do a break. I put my phone here to
You want to film the...
put it up here, yeah. So yeah, let's go break some balls. I want to put it here, just break it.
If you post something, then you post.
Yeah. Well, it's a good start. Got to finish it now.
Bobby?
Tunes in my head. Oh. Any ball in on it? The table's a bit fast. Missing them now. Not surprised they'd be doing probably, I don't know, probably tournaments maybe some point maybe. Bloody music playing as well. Oh God, come on. I'm pouring them now. Get copyrighted, I don't know. Probably good. There's a bit of music playing. Can that be it, I think, maybe? Don't take out the guys, don't worry. It'll be done here. Sorry guys, there's only working out. There we go. 2 minutes on there, that's good.
It's free of charge. Now Freddy will always get all the loving care, even when I'm no longer there to spoil them.
Just call 0800 144 545. Find out how to register for hack. Once you sign up, we'll send you everything you need.
You're missing him.
A special card, key fob.
I haven't played in a long time as well,
So everyone,
I played last night again, and it's just
best of all,
all
you
over
have
the
the
place.
reassurance of knowing that your cat is properly. So take away to
Cheers.
find out how to
Ah, no
register
problem.
for Cat Guardian.
Right, there they go. Put some balls, like they just asked one of the blokes, they might be doing something to put upstairs as well. Maybe pool tables and a function room and that. But yeah, there you go. You got to book it to come here as well, I think. Like I said, let's take some photos. So yeah, there you go. I plastered it on TikTok. Tell people. But yeah, anyway, let's go outside. Talk to you in a minute. So there you go. Like I said, like got upstairs there as well. Yeah, so they probably, like I said, put something upstairs some point. They'll probably come back another time. You alright? You're good? But yeah, let's go back home now, upload the video. Let's take a thumbnail. Yeah, so yeah, I did pop up some balls there. Let's walk down to Nevers now, get the bus, number 4 bus. It's not far. But yeah, we're going to do like all he wanted to do that today, guys. Out and about probably tomorrow. But yeah, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Fences of Paul, share, comment, like, and catch you on the next video. Bye for now, bye for now.